great mother. I'm a hands-on mom, and I enjoy every minute of it, and I'm proud of it.
How did we got involved with insurance finance and sponsors?
Actually, I've been associated with Aegon Religare for various reasons. They're a great company. उसके अलावा आई थिंक ये बहुत ही एक नॉवल आइडिया था फॉर इंश्योरेंस कंपनी कि वो अपने जो उनके कस्टमर्स हैं, उनके जो क्लाइंट्स हैं, उनको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दें दैट दे शो केस देयर टैलेंट. नहीं तो ज़्यादातर टीवी पे लोगों को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है और ऐसे एक एक रियलिटी बेस्ड काइंड ऑफ शो रियलिटी में नहीं बनता, सिर्फ टीवी पे या स्क्रीन पे आप देखते हैं. तो आई थिंक ये बहुत ही एक अच्छा यूनिक सा आइडिया था, और जब ये आए मेरे पास आइडिया के साथ तो मुझे बहुत ही बेहद पसंद आया. और मैं समझती हूँ कि लिटरली आम लोगों को एक मौका मिल रहा है. एक लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी जब कोई बोलते हैं तो सोचते हैं अरे बोरिंग सी फड्डी डडी सी कंपनी, यू नो. बट आई थिंक व्हाट्स योर टैलेंट हैज़ ब्रॉट द पिज़्ज़ाज़ into being just not another life insurance company. So I think it's brought the glamour, it's brought the entertainment, and definitely all the clients get an opportunity to showcase their talent. Or say, I think on the whole, again, reiterate that I think it's a great idea.
So have you shot a video also for them?
Yes, I did, but not a dance video. But I did shoot a video encouraging all the clients to come forward and showcase their talent.
We've been seeing you for years. You're very, very extremely, if I may say so, talented. But keeping with the name, what's your talent? Do you have any hidden talent that we don't know about? Probably bathroom singing or something that
Should
we
be
don't
many.
know.
So you should mention me out.
Hidden talent. Even I didn't know, and even my husband didn't know that I'm going to be a great mother. I think I'm a great mother. I'm a hands-on mom, and I enjoy every minute of it, and I'm proud of it because my children are achievers in their own way. Since you've asked me this question, I'm going to go full on. My daughter just won the. She just got onto the honor roll of the school yesterday and got a certificate and was felicitated in front of the whole school. So it was a very, very big day for me on Friday. So my son is a champ. He gets his awards and medals in swimming and in chess. He did the under 5 national chess championships he went for. So like I said, I think that was my hidden talent, because when I got married to my husband, he thought that my talent is only looking after my dogs. He thought I'll be ignoring my children and only running after my dogs. So he was very scared initially.
You're back on top with Bombay Velvet. So how excited are you? Promos are up now.
You know, I'm very excited about Bombay Velvet. लेकिन जहाँ मैं देखती हूँ तो ये अभी बोल ही देती हूँ कि अलग अलग तरीके के न्यूज़ आ रहे हैं. पिक्चर की PR भी मतलब शुरू नहीं हुई है, एंड अलग अलग स्टोरियाँ लोग फैला रहे हैं. तो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. मैंने वो फिल्म आई डिड इट फॉर फन. I have gone on overboard saying that I'm just doing a blink and you miss it kind of a part. It was, I've done it for fun. I just walk in and I walk out. It's literally like that.
But Ravina, people are saying when you posted on Twitter that your songs have been cut, the edit में.
I said the edit में थोड़ा, see, any edit that happens for a film happens for the betterment of the film. I don't know what has happened otherwise, but what I was told कि थोड़ा इधर उधर editing हुई है. So I was like, yeah, fine with it. But when I saw the film, I thought it was fantabulous. It's a fabulous film. Just wait and watch out for it.
IPL का मैच स्टार्ट है आप किस
मैं नहीं देख रही हूँ, सॉरी. मैं यहाँ हूँ आपके साथ, तो मुझे पूछना भी नहीं कुछ.
रवीना, आपका किसी बायोपिक में भी आप काम कर रही हैं, जैसे कि हमने
It's too free to speak about it. Work is still going on the script. तो आजकल कुछ साइन करने से पहले भी बात निकल जाती है पहले. You know, talent honestly means what one's passion is all about. क्योंकि only जब तक उस talent के लिए आपको passion नहीं होगा, आप उसमें excel नहीं करोगे. तो अगर आप जी जान से you work on your that talent, what today's show is all about. Let's come back to Religare. Aegon Religare is What's Your Talent. That is what today's show is all about. It's about people's passion. Ordinarily, like she said, hidden talent सबका होता है. आप एक नॉर्मल ऑफिस में इधर उधर भागम भाग कर रहे हो, बट फॉर योर रिलीज, फॉर योर कंफर्ट, फॉर योर टू कीप द सैनिटी ऑफ योर माइंड, you might just be playing the sitar or the guitar or the piano or just singing, just to remove that little bit, get that peace of mind for yourself. So that, I believe, whatever you do with a passion is your talent.
How much importance talent?
Importance, I believe everybody has a talent. Everybody has some kind of, anyone could have a talent, even having one of the most beautiful handwritings, which could be as good as calligraphy, So it's not necessary that it has to be only singing, acting, dancing, which is mostly showcased these days. It could be just about anything. It could be just cooking up a great dish in exactly 2 minutes. So yeah, for me even that's talent.
Today, Andaz Apna Apna completes 21 years. It was a cult classic. It still is. We still remember it. What are the memories that you probably have of it looking back? And at that time, did you think it would go on to become such a remembered film so many years later?
Sorry?
With Amar and Salman.
Yes. Honestly, when we were shooting for it, we were having a whale of a time. We were all very, very young. I remember Lolo and me were almost straight out of school. It was a comedy, even on screen and off screen, because though we were all playing the best buddies in the film, but everyone was fighting with everyone, and that was the best part about it. But at that time, we did not realize. We knew that it'll be a great film because it was the era of actually double meaning dialogues and double meaning songs and that kind of comedy, And suddenly there was this clean family, straight-faced kind of comedy, which was intelligent comedy, which I think was a little before its time at that time. But now it's a cult film and people are recognizing its true value, and we are very, very happy about it. Thank you.
जो आपने 10 घंटे सुने हैं,
हाँ जी.
इनसे आप क्या उम्मीद रखती हैं? इनमें क्या देखा था आपने?
देखिए, हर एक की किसी की कोई यूनिकता होती है, तो वो जब उभर के उस कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ करता है, कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, आप अपने आप को प्रेजेंट कैसे करते हैं. तो हर टैलेंट कंपटीशन में जब जजेस देखते हैं तो ये देखते हैं कि आप में क्या कॉन्फिडेंस है, आप किस तरीके से कर रहे हैं, और प्रेजेंटेशन क्या है, वो भी बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी.